everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. My little marble bag here from Eyescream Beauty Bag. And this is going to be for March 2024. Right, March? Yes. I am so confused. I just did a video for April. That's why I was like, is this March? Is this April? I'm confused. Let me get everything out here. Looks like we have 3 products. Get rid of that bag. They always send a card with a list of what the product is and a price, which I greatly appreciate. This is $12.50 a month. Sister product to Eyescream Beauty Box. Probably one of the most affordable that is out there, where you always get an eyeshadow palette of some size. Always. I mean, Macy's is $15 a month, but you don't get an eyeshadow palette. So this is $12.50 a month, and you always get an eyeshadow palette. Taxes included. We do pay shipping of $4. 3 to 5 products, usually 3 or 4. It's not too often that you see 5, but we have 3 products this month. So let's do the first one, and I love, like I said, the card. This is from Mirabella Pro Sculpt Clear Brow Gel. Let me open this. I do love the clear gels. I might share this one just because I have a lot of them. I'm going to see how many I have. So here's the tube. I'm not going to open it. The clear gel, we all know what it looks like. It looks like a mascara, but it's clear, and you just use it to put your brows in place. This is $18. And then here from Mirabella, we have Kiss. This is a lipstick in Sugar and Spice. Sealed with a Kiss. Okay, Sealed with a Kiss, $22. And, ooh, look at this. Nice. Nice packaging. And then, oh, and then it pops out. And the colors on the end. Look at the tube. Oh, it's beautiful. Ooh, perfect shade. Look at that. Nice pinky mauve. Beautiful shade. Like, that is the perfect shade for me. Ooh, I love the packaging. Beautiful. Beautiful. You don't see too many white components for lipsticks, but that's beautiful. That is $22. And then from Trend Beauty, we have Gimme More palette, $12. Look how cute that is. Like a cassette there. That's adorable. $12. That's very affordable. Let's see. So here's the inside again, what the packaging looks like. Gimme More. Ooh, that's a bright one. Ooh, that's a bright one. Now, I'm not going to lift this too high because it looks like one is breaking. Looks like this one right here is going to fall if I go too high. So that's that. This is a very bright, bright palette. And I will get a photo of it and put it at the end. I will not use this. No. I want to get that protective shield back over that so that it doesn't come out. I mean, it's pretty. The shades are pretty. The purples are pretty. Some of the greens and the blues and the teals and stuff, but I don't wear them. Like, I try to keep them thinking. Some of the teals I like, but it's so rare that I wear them that, I just pretty much stick with the neutrals. Sometimes I just do the bronzer, so bronzer, and it's, and stuff like that. I use that as my shadow, put a shade, a lighter shade, and done. Shadow sticks I love, so somebody will love this. I will put this in a giveaway, future giveaway. So that's not bad. So we paid $16.50, $22, $18, and $12 worth of products. So that's not bad from Eyescream Beauty Bag. I think a pretty good one. That palette is pretty if that's your style. Not mine. It's a little too bright, but I love these. But I'm going to share this because I have a lot of them. I know. And that's here, right? Is this all the gels? I think so. Like, here's a lot of the clear gels that I have. It's a lot. So do I really need to keep another one? Yeah, I could. Am I going to? No, I'm going to share this one because it's, I don't know if I'll get to all that. You don't get a ton of product in these little things, but enough. So you just put it on like you would like a brow tint. Brush it on, stand up your brows, shape them how you want, and then put your color in. I do it after I'm done. This way it sets them. And a lot of these that I like that don't alter the color of your brow and don't get crunchy, they keep everything nice and smooth. This one's not bad right there, so I'll share that. I'm keeping this lipstick. Love it. Right there, it's worth it. The lipstick is $22. I paid $16.50. So I'm happy with that, and I'll share the palette and this with, and let you guys have some fun with some of these products. So that's my Eyescream Beauty bag for March 2024. Would love to know what you think of this. I mean, I definitely think it's worth it. I'm trying to think. The box was good. Like the palette, you know, sometimes they're brights. They use a lot of brights. I don't know if they gear their boxes towards maybe the younger gals and guys that would want, you know, this. But this is a great one to get if you're just starting out. You're guaranteed an eyeshadow palette, or like a face palette, or you're getting a palette. And a lot of times it's lip, or sometimes you get lip liners, or you'll get an eyeliner. Like some months we do get 4. I would say most months we get 3 products, but it's definitely worth it for the price. And, you know, no problems. I've not heard a lot of BS about Eyescream Beauty. You know, they're not in the drama. They just, you know, run their business. They're, you know, ship on time. When they're going to have a delay, they communicate with you. So wonderful, wonderful company. Any concerns that I've had over the years that I've been getting the box and the bag, you contact them. You know, they take care of it right away. Great customer service, and I think just all around a great company, Eyescream Beauty. So you won't go wrong with either the box or the bag, but the bag is most affordable. The box is $25, but you get 5 products. Always an eyeshadow palette in there too. So it just depends on your budget, but I think this is a great starter and go-to if you just want to start out and get one and dip your feet in the unboxing or subscription box pond and see what you think. You might just get hooked. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.